Hey everyone, so if you're like me and you've just upgraded to El Capitan and you've just realized that all of your Jekyll projects no longer run because of some compatibility issue, I'm going to show you how I fixed it for myself, and hopefully this will work for you as well. Firstly, have a read through this. It's a great post that kind of explains what's going on and why things aren't working anymore. This is something that's probably going to affect other development tools that you've got installed. I know that it did a very similar thing to me with MySQL, and I'm dreading finding other things that it's done. But this is a really clear, succinct explanation of basically what the problem is. Then I found this other thread here. Have a look through it. People are finding different ways of going about it, different approaches, but I followed through this checklist and it worked for me. And it fixed Jekyll and Ruby was running fine. My Rails project started working again. So I really recommend this. If you have Xcode installed, don't worry about it. That's not affected as far as I can tell. And if you've got Homebrew installed, that's fine as well. If you want to be sure, go and do these things. Do these 2 steps before you do anything else. But this is the really important one. Before you run either of these, make sure that you add this folder to your path. Because this is now, if you read the other thing, this is the only root folder that's now accessible, apparently, basically. So run this, add that folder to your path, then get Ruby installed using Homebrew. This should install it into this directory and it'll be accessible from the command line again. After doing that, install Jekyll. You shouldn't need to use sudo on this. So if you do, have a read through. See, it says up here, ensure gem install can be run without sudo. That's very important. Otherwise, it's not installing in the right place and you'll need to go back and find what went wrong. After you've installed Jekyll, you should be able to come over here, run which Jekyll, see that it's installed into that directory, and it's accessible again from the command line. So hopefully this fixed it for you as efficiently as it did for me. If anyone has any other solutions that they've found, any workarounds for people who this approach doesn't work for, please add them in the comments. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.